All right, this is the part that you're going to want to freeze the frame and look at carefully. But I'll explain it a little as we go. This is our BMS board, our controller, which basically has a switch between here and here. And if the thing is happy, it'll let the electricity go through. If it isn't, if the batteries are too low or too high, it will not let the electricity go through. And this is our charge output and our drive output. It just depends on which way the electricity is going. And to get that electricity to go either way, we use this one relay here, which we've hooked up. This is the input points to the relay, and this is the off position, and this is the on position of the relay. And so basically what it does is it makes this output and this output wire switch polarity. So we've got our positive in and our negative in, and then when it goes to this relay, it will either come out as positive on this side or negative. And if it comes out as negative on this side, going into the C negative, then we are in the charge mode. And if it comes out positive, then we're in the drive mode. And right here, the coil of this, right here, I got the coil drawn up here, that's what goes to our key. So if the key is on, then we're in the drive mode, and the thing is looking, and the BMS is looking at our drive or our load. And if the voltage on our BMS on any of these gets below where we've set it, this will open up its switch, which will turn this relay off, which we got our points to our relay going to our alarm and to our BMS, depending on, charge or discharge. So, there's our little power supply. I got all the parts here. So these are what we're using for our power supplies to give us an isolated 12 volts. And these are little 12 volt relays. And you see right here, I got the coil of this relay going over to our battery so we can simulate a key on and off. And this other relay is what is going to set off our alarms. And they go into the B minus and the C minus here, which the C minus is also our drive minus or our power minus, depending on if we're discharging or charging. So that's our whole circuit right there. This relay right here, these are the points which are going to either engage this one or this one to the B plus, which as you see will either make this wire positive or negative.